Hello everyone, I'm Harshita Sanan and today I will be explaining the task 8.1D of embedded systems. So in this task we were supposed to build an application that reads and categorizes the ambient light intensity using a Raspberry Pi and an ambient light sensor BH1750. First and foremost, we'll discuss the primary objective of this task. Our mission is to create an I2C application that allows us to capture and understand the light conditions in our environment. So first of all, we'll set up our Raspberry Pi desktop. This is our Raspberry Pi desktop and we'll open the Thorny editor for writing the code. So first I'll jump onto the connections required in this task. So in this task, first, the VCC of the BH1750 sensor will go to the digital pin 1 on the Raspberry Pi, ground to the 6, SDA pin to the 3 pin of the Raspberry Pi, SCL to the digital pin 5 on the Raspberry Pi. So now we'll jump on to the code. So first in the code we have imported some of the necessary libraries. SMBus, which is used to access I2C devices, and sleep is imported from the time library to introduce a delay. Address is set to 0 into 23, which is the I2C address of the ambient light sensor BH1750. This is the address used to communicate with the sensor. An instance of the SMBus class is created and assigned to the variable bus. This object is used to access I2C based Python function and communicate with the I2C devices. The code enters a try and catch block and starts an infinite loop with while true. This loop will continuously read data from the ambient sensor. Data is assigned to the value returned by bus.read I2C block data. This function is used to read 2 bytes of data from the I2C device at the specified address and register. This data likely represents the light intensity. Intensity is calculated by converting the data into an integer using the int.from bytes method. The code categorizes the light intensity into 5 levels based on the predefined thresholds. The variable status is used to store the categorization. The code prints the current light status and the measured intensity in lux to the console. It then introduces a 0.5 second of delay using the sleep 0.5 before looping back to read the sensor data again. This code is designed to continuously read ambient light intensity from the sensor and categorize it into different levels. Printing the results to the console, it's a basic framework that we can use as a starting point for various I2C sensor applications. Thank you, and now I would present the working video of my project.